Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're making the creamiest honey mustard ever. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making the creamiest honey mustard ever. Here we have whole grain mustard, and we're going to use some honey. It wouldn't be called honey mustard if we didn't use honey. And now we're done. Just kidding. You could stop here if you like, but we're going to kick it up a notch. We're going to add some garlic powder. And now, for me, I like spice, so I'm gonna add my favorite, smoked paprika. As you can see, the honey and the mustard, the garlic and the paprika are sitting together. And I'm gonna add some salt. The salt really brings out the taste in it, because we have the sweet, we have the sour, we have the spicy, and a little bit of saltiness would really bring it together. And here we're gonna have some mayo, which gives it the creaminess that we're looking for. The mayo really gives it the nice consistency and texture that you're looking for when you're looking for a sauce. So here I have a whisk, and we're gonna really bring it together now. Now we mix. As you can see, everything is coming together, it's starting to change color, and the creaminess is starting to really show itself. And that's the consistency we want. Honey mustard is honestly one of my favorite condiments. Here I'm having with cucumbers, fries, and nuggets. Honestly, you can have that on anything, even on a burger or a salad. So down in the comment section below, tell me what your favorite dipping sauce is. So remember to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for next week's recipe. Bye!